you're experiencing login errors on TikTok, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into your account quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging in. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Step 2. Verify your login credentials. Double check that you are entering the correct username or email and password. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password option to reset it. Step 3. Update the TikTok app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the TikTok app. Go to your device's app store, search for TikTok, and update it if necessary. An outdated app can lead to login problems. Step 4. Clear app cache. Clearing the app cache can help resolve various issues. Go to your device settings, find TikTok in the app list, and select the option to clear cache. Restart the app and try logging in again. Step 5. Contact TikTok support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to TikTok support for assistance. You can do this through the app or the website. Provide them with details about your issue for a quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to fix any login errors you encounter on TikTok. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further help from TikTok support team.